Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make whipping cream, butter, buttermilk and ghee. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my video. So on today's recipe, you're only going to need heavy cream. So make sure the heavy cream contains 35% of fats. I'm going to use 1 liter of heavy cream. Then pour the heavy cream into a medium large bowl. Using a hand mixer, you're going to whisk the cream for approximately 7 to 10 minutes until the cream becomes heavy. Starting on a low speed, going on a higher speed, gradually whisk until it forms stiff peaks. After approximately 7 to 10 minutes, our whipping cream is ready, as you can see in the video, and the next step you're going to make our butter and buttermilk. So making a butter and buttermilk, you're going to continue whipping the cream for approximately 20 to 30 minutes until the butter and the buttermilk separates itself. So after 20 or 30 minutes, it's going to become yellowish like this. The butter and the buttermilk are going to be separate. So using a spatula, you're going to remove the butter from the buttermilk, as you can see in the video. Using clean hands, you're going to remove the butter from the milk and squeeze the milk out and shape it into a round shape. Once you're done removing the butter from the milk, using a sieve the milk into a jar and store it in the fridge, and our buttermilk is ready. You can drink the buttermilk, or you can use in pastries or anything that uses buttermilk. In a medium bowl, add some cold water and place the butter in and clean the butter for approximately 1 minute to remove any milk left in the butter. Once you're done, squeeze the water and place the butter on a baking paper and shape the butter into a square shape. Then wrap the butter nicely and store it in the fridge so that it can be firm and hard. After 1 hour, my butter is ready. I'm going to unwrap it so you can be able to see how the butter looks. You can use your butter on breads or pastries or anything that uses butter. I'm going to cut the butter into slices so you can be able to see how soft the butter looks. It can last for approximately 3 months. So the last option, you can make ghee out from the butter. Place a medium pan on a medium heat and place the butter and let it to melt. Let the butter to boil while you stir constantly for approximately 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, our ghee is ready. Using a sieve, sieve into the jar and our ghee oil is ready. You can use the oil on making parathas, stews, or any dish that uses oil. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.